Understanding Swipe Left, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that has become quite popular in recent years: swipe left. This phrase is a great example of how technology influences language. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, swipe left, originated from the world of online dating apps, like Tinder. In these apps, a user views profiles of potential matches one at a time. If they are interested in a person, they swipe right. If they are not interested, they swipe left. So, swipe left became synonymous with rejection or disinterest. Although it started in online dating, swipe left is now used in everyday language. It's used metaphorically to express dislike or rejection. For example, if someone asks you about a movie and you did not enjoy it, you might say, "I'd swipe left on that movie." Understanding swipe left is also about understanding modern culture. It shows how digital life influences our communication. By using such phrases, you can sound more up-to-date and relatable, especially among younger, tech-savvy people. Let's see some examples. 1. In dating, I swiped left on so many profiles before finding a good match. 2. In general opinion, when it comes to pineapple on pizza, I definitely swipe left. 3. In fashion, did you like the new fashion collection? Not really, I'd swipe left on most of the designs. That's all for swipe left. I hope this video helps you understand not just the meaning but also the cultural context of this modern phrase. Remember, language is always evolving, especially with technological advancements. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.